So in today's video, I'm going to share 3 free credit cards that I personally use. Obviously, there are many other free credit cards in Germany, but as I said, these 3 are the credit cards that I personally use. All the links to the mentioned credit cards are going to be in the description below. Alright, first up is the Gebührenfrei Mastercard Gold. Now this is the first credit card that I ever got back when I was a student in 2015. And frankly speaking, this is the most popular credit card that I have seen among the expat community, especially among students. It could be that this credit card is really easy to register with, and I haven't seen anyone getting rejected with this credit card as of yet. So as I mentioned, this was my first credit card. The registration process was very easy and very quick. I registered in about 3 or 4 minutes. Everything in the registration menu was in German. However, there was nothing that the Google Translate option could not help me out with. Within a couple of days, I received the PIN first, and then a couple of days after that, I received the credit card itself. In total, it took me about 10 days to register, get the PIN code and get the credit card. But for many, it can take longer, and according to their website, if you do not get your credit card within 3 weeks, you should contact them. So as the name suggests, this is Gebührenfrei, so there are no fees associated with this credit card. According to their price list on their website, there's no annual fees, no foreign transaction fee, no cash withdrawal fee, no replacement card fee, etc, etc. You can have a look at all of these details on their website. Invoices are issued monthly, and these invoices are due on the 20th of that month. So make sure that you pay those invoices before the 20th, and if you are unable to pay that invoice, then there is going to be a 19.44% per annum effective interest rate from the date of the transaction. So be sure to pay your invoices before the due date so that you do not have to pay those taxes. Best thing I like about this credit card is that you can withdraw cash with absolutely no additional costs. And if you're in a country that does not support euro, you can easily withdraw cash from the local ATMs with absolutely no additional currency conversion costs, which is great if you're traveling and you do not have the local currency. The second free credit card is the Amazon Prime Visa card. This card is absolutely brilliant if you are an Amazon Prime user, but still okay if you are not an Amazon Prime user. At the moment, you can get 20 euros starting bonus when you register with them, but these offers change and you can get more or less when you register. Sometimes it's more than 50 euros, sometimes even 7 euros. Just keep that in mind. What's great about this credit card is that you'll get 3% points if you are using this credit card to buy on Amazon. If you are Amazon Prime customer, you'll get 3%, and if you're not an Amazon Prime customer, you'll get 2% points on your Amazon account, which you can use on the Amazon products. If you buy stuff on Amazon worth 100 euros, you'll be getting 3 euros worth of points if you are a Prime user, and 2 euros worth if you are not a Prime user. I use Amazon Prime for almost everything, so it makes sense for me to use it. So if you are an Amazon Prime user, make sure to check this credit card out. Now, if you use this credit card elsewhere to buy stuff like groceries and other online shops, you will get 0.5% points on your credit card. It does not matter if you are an Amazon Prime customer or not. One thing I need to mention is that this credit card is free for the first year if you are not an Amazon Prime customer. So you'll have to pay 19 euros 99 cents from the second year onwards. You can have partial repayments if you're not able to pay your debt. However, it's going to be 14.98% effective interest rate per annum on your partial payments. As I said, make sure you pay your invoice in full before the deadline. Otherwise, you're going to have to pay the interest on your purchases. The third free credit card is the DKB credit card. Now this credit card is not technically just a credit card. You will get this credit card for free when you sign up for the DKB Cash Giro Konto or current account. I have discussed in detail on how you can register with DKB Cash account in this video here. A great thing about this credit card is that the overdraft fees is 7.18% if you are a non-active customer and 6.58% if you are an active customer. I use this credit card because this is attached with my DKB Cash account, so whenever I buy anything with it, the payment is automatically cut from my current account, so I do not have to worry about paying the invoice on time. I've put all of the links in the description below, so if you want to support me, use those affiliate links to sign up and get your credit card. Click here if you want to know how you can retire early, and here if you want to know about free bank accounts in Germany. Thank you very much for watching, and until the next video, bleib gesund.